If you find an unused lamp in the trash, never just throw it away. Because in this video, we will use used lamps to create something you never imagined before. Ready to see the magic of items considered trash? Let's start. First, prepare a wall clock in your house that doesn't have a battery. This is our main ingredient. From the used lamp taken earlier, we also have a wall clock that no longer works because it ran out of battery. By using this used material, we will make the wall clock come back to life without needing a new battery. Immediately, we start by removing the small LED light from the fitting. Use scissors or other cutting tools to carefully separate the lights. Make sure you cut the right part so that the cables and LED components remain intact and can be used later. By using this technique, you no longer need to buy batteries for your wall clock for the rest of your life.
Just use the LED light. Your clock will continue to live without stopping.
Cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and of course practical. The next step, look for the M- and plus parts of the small LED light that was separated earlier.
You only need to use one small LED light for this step. After finding the min and plus signs, carefully scrape the side with a knife.
This will help ensure the electrical connections run smoothly when we attach it to the wall clock. After the min and plus parts have been rubbed, the next step is to apply tin using solder on these two lines. This tin serves as a basis for attaching the cable more firmly and stably. Once the tin is applied, stick the wires on it with the help of solder. Make sure this connection is neat and strong so that the electricity flows well. The next step, take the mini clamp that has been prepared. Attach this clamp to the part of the cable that is connected to the LED light. This clamp will help secure the connection and ensure the cable remains securely attached, so that the flow of electricity is not interrupted. After that, take the plug cable that has been prepared. Connect the end of this plug cable to the LED light fitting line, then solder it carefully. Make sure the connections are strong and neat so that electricity can flow properly without interruption. This process is an important step to ensure the wall clock can run on electricity. And now it's time for us to test this tool. Plug the cable into a power source and see the results. The advantages of this tool are that it is cost-effective because it uses used goods, environmentally friendly because it reduces the use of disposable batteries, and practical because the clock can function continuously as long as it is connected to electricity. The small LED light turns on perfectly, and the wall clock also moves again. By using this technique, you no longer need to buy batteries for your wall clock for the rest of your life.
This is a cost-effective way while using used goods wisely.